I'm no pigeon expert, but look at the shadow. Opa, where's his shadow? Hell no, I've got a vampire. Where's his bleeding shadow? There it is. Thought I had a vampire pigeon for a minute there. Welcome to my crazy, big fat crazy bird life. This is Zuko. Hey Zook. Over there we've got Mama, Zuri, Jesus, aka Yezu. Pretty sure Yezu is a girl and Zook is a boy. Where you going, guys? So in the Manky Duck Pond, Zachariah Sitchin, India, Shiloh, Lazy Daisy, and Blue, the one that keeps biting me. Blue, peekaboo. So as you can see, the garden is a feckin' disaster. Hey Blue. Oh hi. Oh, he's talking to me. Hi Blue. They all know their name. There's Rufus. Wondering what mischief he can get up to. So the storm took down all of the netting. So the gate's open because chooks can get out. So pointless shutting it. Layla has gone into the coal bunker and I think that she might have found somebody's already in there. What up, Baba? What up, guys? Oh, did Mommy move? Crikey. On the newspapers. What's in here that's getting everybody so... Oh, hello. Hello. This is Bolshe, hiding in the empty coal bunker. Haha, Rufus, the guard rooster, putting him in his place. Good for you, Rufus. Good for you. Aha. What are you saying to it? Talking rooster. So, Laughing Buddha Bird Sanctuary, aka the Funny Farm. Hey dude, I have so much work to do. I don't even know what I can see. Oh la la. Oh, there we go. Zuko. Mama of Zuko and Yezu. And little Yezu. Sun is shining. Bye.